Hi everyone, Clifton here with another video. I've got Kathy here. We're going to do a video shoot actually. Do you want to introduce yourself to everyone at home?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Kathy, I'm 22 years old. I do modeling, acting and writing. And yeah, today we're going to do a cool video shoot. It's for The Bridge. That's a very nice brand. I'm actually wearing them here.
Yeah.
This video is not sponsored by them, but maybe soon.
And you've got two tops that we're going to be showing off in our video that we're going to put together. So
Yeah.
this one here, which has a very confusing top. What colour is it?
It's obviously yellow.
Oh, obviously. And you got another one down. Very cool, very stylish. So what does it say? What's the brand?
The Bridge Boys. It says, every journey requires the bridge, which is true.
How did you get your start in modelling? Want to talk a little bit about that for anyone who's thinking about modelling? Keep going.
So I initially just wanted to do acting, but I didn't know how to find acting jobs because if you don't have any portfolio, people are like, so what's your talent? And it was way easier to get into modeling and get model jobs. So I just started to do like TFP, time for print, time for portfolio, photo shoots, and collaborated with people all around the world and kind of just kept doing it because it's fun. I started when I was 15, but I realized I was too young. I feel like modeling is a field in which you need to know yourself a little bit better. You need to be able to love yourself, be strong, and also make clear boundaries because otherwise people can like cross those boundaries very easily. So I stopped modeling until I was 18.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, I think now I'm ready. So I've seen a lot of models, especially in New Zealand, that bring their parents to a photo shoot or the parents manage the Instagram, and I think that's a very, very good way to deal with it. I know that especially the youngins are like, no, it's not cool, like parents are not cool. And you should be proud of the fact that you have supporting parents that just want you to be safe. And I think it's amazing that they're supporting you to achieve your dreams, and yeah, it's a good way. Or just bring a friend. It's always a good way to bring a friend. And if you don't want to bring a friend, a good way to see if the photographer is professional is always by asking, can I bring a friend? And usually photographers will say yes. If they're a bit awkward about it and they're like, I'm not sure, like I just want you to come by yourself and come to a place far, far away and blah, 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 like look
That's
for
a red flag, right?
Definitely look for red flags and don't just go for like any photo shoots. And other models as well, they had photo shoots with them, like how were they? Like be careful. Not everyone is amazing. Not everyone is, legit. So love yourself. Definitely love yourself. Modeling can trigger your self-esteem and can make you feel very insecure about your body image. Personally, I found it was the other way around, and I realized that I'm actually beautiful the way I am, and that everyone else is as well. Yeah. Because at the photo shoot, you see all the girls without the makeup, and you see all their flaws, and you see, they all have stretch marks, just like me, and it's beautiful. But make sure that you keep your self-esteem up and your self-care, and yeah.
Okay. So where can people find you? What's your Instagram? What's your website? And all the things.
Kathy in frame everywhere. Because I'm Kathy in frame, haha. Yeah, follow me, please. I need 10K followers.
Oh yes, you can do it. Okay. Thank you.
Sweet. Bye. Every journey needs the bridge.